there was water in the exhaust. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh boy, what is that? Water in the exhaust. All right, crankcase is full of water when I took the reeds out. So let's just see. This was super stuck, by the way, but see how much water comes out of here. Soup. That is a lot of water. You see how gray that shit is? Oh, this bike should be very happy. Because there's so much water inside this motor, we gotta turn it upside down. Only way this thing will ever start. Okay, look out. I want you to grab the film thing and film me doing this so I can get everything coming out. Just look out. There we go.
Where is the phone?
Get this thing to drain. There's so much.